Today I am reviewing the CORSAIR 3500X ARGB mid-tower ATX PC case. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with design. The 3500X isn't just another black box. It features panoramic tempered glass panels on both the front and side, giving you an uninterrupted, stunning view of your components from nearly every angle. Whether you're showcasing vibrant RGB lighting, a custom water loop, or just keeping it clean and minimalist, this case turns your build into a showpiece. What really stands out is its support for reverse connection motherboards. That means if you're using the latest ASUS BTF or MSI Project Zero board with backside connectors, you'll benefit from a clean, cable-free front. No more messy wiring disrupting your aesthetic. It's a future-ready feature that many PC builders will appreciate, especially as these new standards become more mainstream. Now, let's talk cooling. This case has high airflow potential, which is crucial for modern high-performance components. It supports up to 10 120mm fans, and CORSAIR already includes 3 120 RGB fans out of the box. These fans not only provide solid airflow, but also deliver vibrant, customizable lighting using your motherboard's 5V RGB header. No additional controllers or software needed. It just works. In terms of compatibility, you won't feel limited. It supports motherboard form factors from Mini-ITX all the way to EATX. So whether you're building a compact workstation or a full-size gaming monster, the 3500X is ready. The power supply is bottom-mounted, and there's ample room for large GPUs, radiators, and even custom cooling loops. Another small but very appreciated detail, the removable tempered glass panels. Both the front and side panels can be easily removed, giving you full access during your build. This makes installation and cable routing much easier, especially if you plan to work with custom cables or larger components. Cable management is also surprisingly neat, especially when using those reverse connection motherboards. But even with standard boards, there's enough space and grommets to route your cables cleanly and keep the build looking sharp. The overall build quality of the CORSAIR 3500X is excellent. The materials feel solid, the metal frame is sturdy, and the tempered glass doesn't feel fragile or flimsy. The case is also reasonably lightweight considering its size, making it easier to move or reposition even after your system is built. Lastly, the ARGB lighting. With the included fans and transparent panels, your PC will have a premium, customizable glow that syncs beautifully with other RGB components. Whether you want a single color theme or a full-on rainbow effect, the lighting possibilities are endless and easy to control. In conclusion, the CORSAIR 3500X ARGB mid-tower ATX PC case hits a sweet spot between form and function. It's beautiful to look at, highly breathable, easy to build in, and offers future-ready compatibility with reverse connection motherboards. The included ARGB fans and glass panels mean you won't have to invest much extra to make your build look amazing right out of the gate. For gamers, creators, or PC enthusiasts looking to build a showcase rig in 2025, the 3500X is a stellar choice, both aesthetically and functionally.